All right, welcome back. Most people know Botox, of course, can relax facial muscles and smooth out wrinkles. But Dr. Steve Jepson is here with some lesser-known facial areas where Botox can be injected, not just for the fine lines and wrinkles.
Right, I think everybody knows. Usually people know about the most common areas where we inject Botox, but there's a lot of other cool areas that once I introduce people to the idea that those areas can be injected, they love it.
Okay, we're starting with the eyebrow, right?
Right, so we're starting with the eyebrow. Now I think on Misty, our model here, we've kind of got markings. We've got in purple the traditional Botox markings, and in green the injections that we're going to be talking about today. And right here in the middle of her brow, that's the most common place to inject Botox. And Misty's injected with Botox, and she's going to frown right now, and you're going to see that she can barely make that motion. So there's no frown, and so that's why people love Botox, is because the mad look goes away. But what a lot of people don't know is we can also inject the eyebrow. And I've put a mark right here by your eyebrow that shows a green mark where a little injection there will kind of help lift up the eyebrow. As you age, your eyebrow just kind of naturally falls, and the skin above your upper lid just kind of naturally falls. And by making a little injection right there above the eyebrow, it'll just lift that up a little bit. Misty actually has that injection in, and you can see how nice her eyebrows flare.
Just a natural lift, a subtle arch.
It's just a subtle arch. In younger clients, they like it for that subtle arch. And what's interesting is a lot of people also, if you notice, they have an asymmetric eyebrow. One eyebrow will sit lower than the other eyebrow, and Botox can be used to even the eyebrows up.
Okay, another procedure, the lip flip or the pout.
Right. So this is kind of a way to do an inexpensive lip enhancement. So there's a muscle that goes right around the lip, and by injecting Botox in there, it relaxes it and it turns the lip outwards. So a couple of injections right here will turn the lip outward, make it look a little bit larger, kind of restore. As women age, their lip turns inwards and they kind of lose the natural lip shelf. That kind of helps restore that. You can also put an injection right here, and it'll just pout the lip downwards and kind of make you look like you have a fuller bottom lip.
So really just tightening the muscle in the direction that you want the lip to go.
Relaxes the muscle in the direction that you want it to go. Gives it a much nicer, enhanced, overall, fuller, sexier look. Just with a couple of little shots of Botox.
All right, the next one is the mouth frown.
Right, so and I don't know if they have that picture, but as women age, the corners of the mouth turn down. And there's a muscle here, there it goes. So you can see that on the right there, the muscles are pulling the corners of the lip down, corners of the mouth down, kind of giving you a perma-frown look. By injecting Botox right down along the jawline, it relaxes those muscles and it brings the mouth corners right back up to even. So you don't have to have that constant sad look. It makes your mouth look normal again. And you don't have to worry about the lip going up too high or the corners of the mouth going up too high and giving you a perma smile. All it will do is even out the mouth again.
Don't think Joker.
Don't think Joker.
I mean, it's just going to be a subtle lift to make it
just be
where it needs to be.
Because women complain about that all the time. I look like I'm frowning all the time.
Yeah.
It can be fixed with just a couple little injections right here out along the side.
On either side of the jawline there.
Right.
Okay, and the final one we want to talk about is the bumpy chin.
Yeah, and a lot of people get a bumpy chin, especially when they think a lot. Misty's going to kind of pull her chin up, and you can see all those little bumps along there.
I like that.
They think a lot.
Pondering.
So thinkers are going to like this injection. But you can relax that by just doing 2 little injections right here. It relaxes the bottom chin, and so that those bumps on the chin go away.
Okay, very nice. 4 lesser-known areas where Botox can perhaps lift and relax those muscles in the motion direction you want them to. And Botox Week is coming up.
We're having Botox Week next week. All Botox is going to be 10% off next week. Misty's actually our esthetician. She's going to be doing microdermabrasion for only like $45. So we're kind of having a celebration of spring. Look better for spring next week at Botox Week.
We love that. Okay, the website UtahLaserMD.com, where you can get more information and schedule your appointment with Dr. Jepson and Misty in their office. Thanks so much, you guys, for stopping by. Coming up.